This is OneFlow, and modern and beautiful accounting software built for small businesses that want to work smarter. Start your day with the Today tab, showing what needs your attention right now. Payments and receipts due today. What's already overdue? What payments are coming up next? Your dashboard gives you a clear view of your financial health. Compare income, expenses, and profit trends, month by month. A breakdown of how your money is spent, and your overall financial position, all in one place. Need to bill a client? Just select the client and items. Your invoice is ready in seconds. Click email, and it's on its way. OneFlow tracks when your invoice is sent, viewed, and paid, so you don't miss to follow up. Snap a photo of an expense receipt and save it instantly. OneFlow keeps your expenses and their documents organized, so you're ready when it's time to file taxes. Now at the end of the day, return to the Today tab to review your daily performance. Top transactions and top customers. Number of transactions and average value. View sales, purchases, and cash flow changes. Debtors, creditors, cash and bank balances at the day end, and many more, all summarized in one place. Need more detail? Go to Reports to explore. Receivables and payables. Item-wise and contact-wise sales and purchases. Business reports like the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, with no spreadsheets required. OneFlow works anywhere, on desktop or mobile, and lets you securely share access with your team or accountant. Simple to use, powerful where it counts, ready to take control of your business finances. Start with OneFlow. It's free to try at www.oneflow.com.